water is essential for every living thing. But that would be only half the statement, as you cannot just drink any water from anywhere. The irony is that water has all the essential elements that can kill you or make you very sick. Even though the United States has one of the safest water supplies, the CDC estimates that more than 7 million Americans fall sick due to water-spread diseases. This situation is where water purifiers or filters come in. To make water safer and hygienic, having a water purifier system is crucial, even though the municipality treats the water that directly comes to your home. Filtration is complex, and our testing standards and parameters are even more stringent. We've tested the best water purification systems out in the market, checked every feature, and how these features would translate in general use. This is the list/brief review of the best under-the-sink water filter system and what makes them so desirable. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I recommend 5 best under-sink water filtration system 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Aquasana brand. Instantly transform ordinary tap water into clean, extraordinary water. Removes up to 99% of 77 contaminants while leaving healthy minerals so you can drink with confidence. This system will not reduce total dissolved solids. This system powers through a half gallon of water every minute. No need to wait for clean water compared to traditional drip filters. The most economical filter on the market at less than 10 cents per gallon filtered. Lasts for 6 months or 800 gallons before a replacement filter is needed. Replacements are engineered for ease. No need to disconnect hoses or water lines. Eco-friendly housing easily twists off for snappy replacement. Includes first set of filter and all parts required for typical installation, no plumber required. Please review owner's manual before setting up. Bluetooth logo may appear on the box or product if included in the hardware, but no compatible software is provided or supported. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the AQUACREST brand. AQUACREST Ultra High Capacity Under-Sink Direct Connect Water Filtration System employs a high-quality coconut shell activated carbon with a filtration accuracy of 0.5 micrometers, as well as KDF remover. Tested against NSF/ANSI standards, the under-sink water filter effectively reduces chlorine, taste, and odor. It also reduces VOCs and other heavy metals such as Ca and Mg, intercepting scale, suspended solids, colloid, rust, bacteria, and large particles. The under-sink water filter has a service life of 12 months or 5,000 gallons. You will need to replace the inline water filter only once a year, which doesn't breed contaminants. With a fast water flow rate of 1.5 GPM, the under-sink water filtration system can fill a cup with water in 3 seconds. On average, by spending 5 cents per day, you will enjoy safe and clean water. Less expense, better filtration. 5,000 gallon under-sink water filter times 1, 3/8 braided stainless steel inlet hose times 1, 3/8 braided stainless steel outlet hose times 1, clips and screws times 1 set, cable tie mounts and cable ties times 1 set. The direct connect hoses fit standard 3/8 water valves under US kitchen and bathroom sinks. You can finish the installation in 3 minutes without drilling any holes or cutting any hoses. This under-sink water filtration system comes with all hoses and push-to-connect fittings to install directly to the cold water line under your sink. Number 3 in our top is from the KRAUS brand. Polypropylene filter eliminates larger particles like dirt and rust. Carbon block filter targets nanoparticles like lead, eliminating odors and improving taste. Independently certified to remove 98% of lead, as well as select pharmaceuticals, VOCs, chlorine, odor and taste, and other impurities found in municipal and well water. Greater capacity than standard pitcher-style systems. Compatible with any filter faucet with standard 1/4 connections. Cartridges install with a simple twist and lock quarter-turn mechanism. Digital display monitors water quality, battery life, and filter status, maximizes filter life and notifies you by beeping when cartridges are down to 10% and a replacement is required. Eco-friendly product reduces waste while saving you money on single-use plastic water bottles. When connected to a cross-filter faucet, fills your glass faster than most refrigerator and faucet-mounted filters. Under-sink design installs directly below your sink, eliminating the need for bulky faucet-mounted filters. Installation ready with all mounting hardware, tubing, and batteries for fast and easy DIY setup. Quick connect adapters make it easy to connect the filter system to your water supply lines. Number 2 in our top is from the ICEPURE brand. Less than $29.99 per replacement filter. Search B08Q3KXS3S on Amazon, save over 40% of cost on subsequent use. Very easy to install with clear instructions and video. ICEPURE under sink water filter with super simple plug and play install design. It takes less than 3 minutes for system installation, 2 seconds filter change. No professional required. This system has a high flow rate. It can reach to over 2.5 GPM at 60 psi. ICEPURE under sink water filter system bears major authoritative certifications on markets, such as NSF/ANSI 42 and 372. NSF/ANSI 42 tested reduces chlorine, taste and odor for 20,000 gallons capacity, significantly improving the taste of drinking water to provide pure tasting water, while retaining minerals beneficial to the human body. NSF/ANSI 372 certification for lead-free material, ensure material safety. Tested by NSF/ANSI 42 for large filtration capacity of 20,000 gallons when used municipal water. 3x longer life than other filters, cheaper, most bang for the buck. The number 1 product is part of the Waterdrop brand. When used with municipal water, each filter has a maximum service life of 12 months or 8,000 gallons. The Waterdrop Direct Connect under sink water filter system uses innovative multi-stage filtration. And it can effectively reduces lead, chlorine, heavy metals, chemical impurity, sediment, and other large particles. Enjoy healthy and pure water straight from your tap, no need to buy bottled water anymore. Made from premium BPA-free and lead-free materials, the under-sink water filter is certified by WQA against NSF/ANSI 372 standard, ensuring reliable use from inside to outside. Certified by WQA against NSF/ANSI 42 standard, the water filter can effectively reduce chlorine, taste and odor. Tested by third-party laboratory against NSF/ANSI 53 standard, it can reduce lead. The system should be connected only to a cold water supply. With innovative push-to-connect fittings, the entire installation process takes less than 3 minutes. The twist and lock design ensures that you can replace the filter in 3 seconds. The system includes a 3/8 hose with a direct connection that adapts to standard 3/8 feed water valves under US sinks. The 3/8-inch 1/2 converter fitting helps you connect the system to both 1/2 and 3/8 cold water lines and faucets. The fast and stable water supply provides pure water that tastes like spring water. The tested full flow rate is 0.75 GPM at 60 psi. Developed for household and commercial use, the under-sink water filter system can be installed in your kitchen, bathroom, RV, or office to meet your daily water needs. Which under-sink water filtration system would you like to buy for your kitchen? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.